Make $2,500 per day posting ambient videos. Side hustle anyone can do. Do you know that you can make as much as $2,500 per day on YouTube and you don't have to show your face? Well, we are about to reveal one of the biggest secrets on YouTube called ambient videos. These are videos with relaxing white noises, and top channels earn up to $6,000 per day without doing anything special. Here are 3 easy steps to help you start making your own ambient videos from the comfort of your home. Number 3. Discover your niche. Before you start making ambient videos, you need to know what type you should focus on. You need to make videos that will get a lot of engagement, and that means paying attention to the YouTube algorithm. We are going to show you 2 major methods to help you discover your niche. The first is to search for 7 of the largest ambient video channels. These are channels that have a really high number of subscribers and get as many as 50,000 views on their videos. On the Video tab, for each channel, click on Sort By at the top and sort these videos by the most popular. With this, you'll know the best performing videos of all time. Write down the top 10 videos on all 7 channels and try to identify the pattern here. There's always a pattern. By the time you're done checking through, about 4 different types of videos will stand out more than others as those that perform better each time. Those are the types of videos you can focus on. The second method is to sort the videos again, but this time, set this to the newest. This time, you're looking for the range of views that most videos on each of these 7 top channels get. For example, a channel can have 10,000 to 35,000 views on most of its videos. However, from experience, we have realized that there is always that one video with abnormal spikes. Where other videos are within the range we mentioned earlier, an occasional video have as many as 200,000 views. That's about 5 times the average views that the channel gets regularly. This is a great way to discover what people really like, even within a channel that posts great content regularly. Take note of these spikes across the 7 top channels, and you have successfully discovered your niche with an endless supply of new video ideas for your channel. Number 2. Find sound effects from free libraries. Next up are the ambient sounds you'll need for your videos. From research, people love rainforest ambient videos, and that's a great place to start. The beautiful thing about the internet is that there's an endless supply of free resources if you know where to look. This is where your Google research skills come in. When you input keywords like sound effects free online, the top search results are 𝗧𝗜𝗄𝗏 and freesound.org. We also discovered freefx.co.uk. These are just 3 websites with thousands of royalty-free sound effects that you can use for your videos. So switching between these websites gives you tons of options, which will help you make as many videos for your channel as you want. However, if you have a little extra cash to spend on sound effects, Epidemic Sound is a great choice. You can subscribe to the yearly plan for about $100 and enjoy unlimited access to their diverse sound effect library. However, you can also start with a 30-day free trial, which gives you a feel of what you will be getting, so you can explore before making that final decision. Finding the sound effects for your ambient videos is actually one of the simplest aspects of this process, so don't overthink this. Check out a few sounds and download one that fits the rainforest theme you want. To truly stand out from the hundreds of other ambient videos on YouTube, this is where you get creative. So next up is picking the right images for your video and making the final result as creative as possible. Number 1. Find images. If you are downloading rain sound effects, it's only logical that you'll download pictures of rain as well. Over time, 3 websites have been the go-to choices for anyone looking for free high-res images with none of the licensed baggage. Those websites are pexel.com, unsplash.com, and pixabay.com. You could stop at just choosing one image, putting the sound effects over them, and upload on YouTube. But where's the fun in that? Instead, let's get more creative using one of the best editing software out there, Final Cut Pro, although it's paid software. It's pretty easy to use and you should be done with editing within 10 minutes. So instead of choosing only rain images, you can make this a little creative by searching for pictures of a camping tent. Yes, it has nothing to do with rain, but you'll understand in a minute. Here's the perfect one. We'll take this to the editing software and make sure that the image fills the entire frame so that there's no black background. Up next is to visit @wiedeasy.com, where you can check out thousands of free video resources. Search for rain and download any video that's free to use. It won't have the pro tag. Then place this rain video on top of the image of the camping tent, and that should look like this. However, it doesn't seem natural, so we need to check the top of the timeline from the blend mode. Change this from normal to screen, and that will leave the rain on the camping tent. We still need to make sure that it looks like it's raining outside the camping tent. To make this realistic, we have to apply a mask. Head over to Effects, check Masks, and select Shape Mask. Drag this over the rain video and extend the mask over the outside of the camping tent, like this. Now it looks like it's raining outside the camping tent, and that's cool enough for this simple video. And that's it for the visuals. The final step is dragging your sound effects to this, and that should give you the creative output of your ambient video. There's no limit to how creative you can get with this, so explore as much as you can. If you are curious about some other amazing ways to make money online without stepping a foot outside your door, this video, where we reveal 7 highest paying online jobs, should do the trick. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for sticking around.